Maharashtra's minister hits out at the MNS over the assault. That viral video of a shopkeeper being slapped repeatedly for not speaking in Marathi. Maharashtra's minister has said no courage to impose Marathi on Muslims. That's Rane speaking. Nitish Rane says MNS can only attack innocent Hindus. So now this has turned political as well. And remember the question that many have been asking. MNS isn't even in the government, nor associated with the ruling party. How are its goons going around slapping people because they are unable to speak Marathi? Let's listen in to Nitish Rane.
मारा ही गया है ना, एक हिंदू को मारा गया है ना, एक हिंदू को मारा गया है। तो मुझे बोलना है कि इतनी हिम्मत जाके नल बाजार और मोहम्मद अली रोड में दिखाओ ना। वो जो दाढ़ी वाले और गोल टोपी वाले क्या मराठी में बात करते क्या? शुद्ध मराठी में बात करते क्या? उधर जाने की उनको कान के नीचे बजाने की हिम्मत नहीं है। जावेद अख्तर क्या मराठी में बात करता है क्या? आमिर खान क्या मराठी में गाता है क्या? उधर उसके मुंह से मराठी निकालने की हिम्मत नहीं है। ये गरीब हिंदू को क्यों मारने की हिम्मत कर रहे हो? ये सरकार हिंदू ने बिठाई है, हिंदुत्व विचार की सरकार है। इसलिए इस तरह की कोई भी अगर कोई हिम्मत करेगा तो हमारी सरकार भी तीसरी आंख खोलेगी। इतना मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
MNS Neta also has added meanwhile, their youngsters made a mistake. So that's also a part of his elaborate statement, though he has said you go around targeting Hindus because it's easier to slap Hindus and Hindu shopkeepers. You wouldn't dare do it to those residing in the Muslim dominant areas. Let's listen into more reactions.
आपको एक चीज बोलता हूँ, आज का जो मोर्चा था वो व्यापारियों का नहीं था, वो भारतीय जनता पक्ष के कुछ एजेंट लोग हैं, उन्होंने सबको एक करके किया हुआ मोर्चा था। वो व्यापारी मुझे कल रात को मिला था, उन्होंने मुझे कहा था दादा हम लोग कोई मोर्चा बिर्चा नहीं निकालेंगे, हम लोग हमारे समाज मंदिर में मिलेंगे और जो भी है आपस में बैठ के बात खत्म करेंगे। ऐसी हमारी बात होने के बाद कल भारतीय जनता के पक्ष के कुछ एजेंट है, उन्होंने इन सबको भड़काया और फिर वो बाद में वो मोर्चा निकाला गया। तो ये जो झगड़ा है, ये मोर्चा था वो व्यापारियों का नहीं था, भारतीय जनता पक्ष ने पुरस्कृत किया हुआ मोर्चा था।
My colleague Vidya joins me for the latest on that. Vidya, so a huge political showdown, but what is the government doing about this behavior rather than just statements? How do you look at how the netas are reacting?
Well, of course, there's an entire, political slugfest that has really started on this, especially in the backdrop of the entire Vidhan Bhavan Assembly session, that is really budget session that is going on. But of course, the government has taken its clear stand that there is an FIR registered, there is a crime that has happened, and the legal, the investigation will happen and the legal course will ensue. But at the moment, yes, the opposition not letting it down, they're making it sure. In fact, we do have Shiv Sena MP, former MP Sanjay Nirupam now going and, meeting these people and then going ahead and speaking to the investigators as well as to what they are really doing. So, of course, we have seen as to how MNS has also dug its feet and said that they will not budge and what they have done is not wrong, that the people whoever is in Maharashtra has to speak Marathi. So, obviously, this has become of a more slugfest that we are seeing political in the view that this is what everyone wants to speak on this issue and put their mind forward.
Any details now that you said that traders have been protesting, but it's not just one incident, right? More and more people we see, especially from the MNS, are coming forward to indulge in this behavior. I wonder if this has a connect to the upcoming the Mumbai Municipal Corporation elections to show that we are more connected to the Marathi ethos.
Well, remember there was a GR for the implementation of Hindi as a third language in schools, which was opposed severely by the MNS and the Shiv Sena of the UBT as well. But of course, the MNS very sure that they did not want to get a third language. Hindi as imposed as a third language, and that's the reason they had protested much more. And it is, in this backdrop itself, we see that this entire protest has also happened. Remember, there's a victory rally for the GR scrapping that is going to happen tomorrow. So all these issues are there, and of course, as you mentioned, that the election is going to be happening in the next couple of months. That we will see. All the parties have already started preparing and putting forth there how they are. Everyone's representing the Marathi Manus of Mumbai. We are seeing one of the reasons also is, of course, because of the upcoming elections in this.
Vidya, stay on with me. I want the viewer to first watch what happened, the video that's been going viral. I'm sure most of us have seen it already on social media, but then there appears to be a clarification, an apology. What happened? Let's take a look at both these videos.
तू बोल पहले तो नाव नाव सूरज बोलता तसं वैसे बोल कान पकड़ बोल सूरज जयस्वाल पूरा ठीक से पकड़ सूरज जयस्वाल बोल नाम ये मालूम है बस चले